So guys, welcome back. Nagbabalik muli para mag-record. Chapter 1 yung last. Nabot tayo ng 3 months bago mapag-upload ulit Pero natapusin na natin to hanggang mamaya. Let's go. Chapter 2. Chapter 1 2. Let's go.
Feeble humans, let us give you our power. Soon, you will become unable to resist this intoxicating power. Hey, wake up.
Yay. Crawl out of one hole and into another.
You want to tell me what's going on here?
Americano, see? Now what brings a bloke like you to this part of the world? Oh, hey, easy, whoever you are.
I'm Sam. Came here looking for this girl. Seen her?
What, are you supposed to be a cop or something? Nah, you
Makatilan
don't
muna
look the
natin
type.
Maybe.
Okay, let me guess. She's the president's daughter?
That's too good for a guess. Want to start explaining?
Psychic powers. Nah, just kidding with you, amigo. I overheard one of the villagers talking something about the president's daughter in the church.
And who might you be?
Me llamo Luis Serra. I used to be a cop in Madrid. But now I'm just a good-for-nothing guy who happens to be quite a ladies' man.
Why'd you quit?
Phew, policia. You put your life on the line. Nobody really appreciates you enough for it. Being a hero isn't what it's cracked up to be anymore.
Used to be a cop myself. Only for a day, though.
I thought I was bad.
Somehow I managed to get myself involved with the incident in Raccoon City on my first day in the force.
That is the incident with the viral outbreak, right? I think I might have seen a sample of the virus in a lab at the department.
Hey boy, I'm not dying.
Do something, cop!
After you.
Now!
Buti tanda tayong pupulutan doon Dali, umulog.
It's Leon. Sorry I couldn't get in touch sooner, but I was a bit tied up.
You're okay, right?
I'm fine. There was a male civilian held captive. According to him, Ashley's in a church somewhere.
What happened to him?
He managed to escape.
Do you have a fix on the location of that church?
No, but apparently there's a secret passage in the village that leads there. I'm heading back to the village.
Let's go.
Over here, stranger.
Hindi tayo bibigyan, boss. Diretso tayo dito sa ba? Ay, wala nang tutok, boss. Wala na tayong tutok ah. Tara. Medyo malaking game natin ito. Natin tayo dun kasi kung natin ito isa yun. Natin ang game. Right side. So, Husky. Kailangan ito ba tayo? Nakikita ko dito sa side. Yun lang yung isang bayan natin bago natin use. Okay, let's head to other village. Please. Nice. Kala ko yung may bato na naman eh. May ako na doon. Pwede nyo itong kunin bago pala kayo naglalaro. Ito din. Ano naman yung pera. Hindi ko na kasi kailangan yan. Kompleto na ako. Tapos may mas doon. Treasure. Dito ang daanan para makuha yun. Pero dito ito. Kalawag. Ay, sada. Uy, sa'yo. Tapos para makuha yung treasure, oops. Crouch mo kayo dyan. Pwede tayo kumuha dito ng basuka. Pero hindi mo natin siya. Then, naglalagpos. Tayo sa shotgun. Pinapakan ito mga tubos. Yan, crunch boy. May treasure din doon. Tapos dito meron din dito. Skyler, pero di ko na kailangan. Hindi na kunin yung mga yan. Treasure. Mga loot. Wala, I mean. Tapos dito yung treasure. Dito na kukunin. Yan ang gag. Grabe naman yan. Ano nangyari sa po natin? Sa pag-level natin. isda dito sa baba. Pwede nyo kunin yung isda dito sa baba. Wait, ito ba? Tapos babarilin nyo lang siya guys. Pababa kayo dito tapos kita nyo isda dyan. Barilin nyo, kunin nyo, take nyo lang para may pang heal kayo. Kaso hindi ko na kailangan nun eh. Dami akong pang heal. Puno pa buhay ko din. Tayo yung bomba dyan. Tapos dito may loot. Ewan ko anong loot yun. Pwede nyo kunin yan, yung mga yan. Hindi ko na kailangan yan eh. Makikita na natin dito si... Yan. Pattern lang nito ay... isang up, isang left. Yun lang. Up and left. Kunin natin tong key. Yan. Mag-a-animate na ito mag-a-animate siya pagkapasok natin sa pinto.
Nuestro jefe te cuidará de la rata. Y si la plaga es mucho mejor que la
You carry the same blood as us, it seems. Nevertheless, you're an outsider. Just remember, if you become unpleasant to our eyes, you'll face severe consequences.
What? Same blood.
Ayun. Gusto pa na yung chapter natin dito sa chapter 2 guys. So, kita-kits na ulit tayo sa chapter 3 mamaya. Cheers!